Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to join voice chat in Marvel Rivals. All right, by default, if you're using console, the voice chat is disabled. So just go ahead and go to settings right here. Now go ahead and go to audio right here, audio, then scroll down. Then you should be able to see voice chat. All right, in your console, if it is disabled, just go ahead and turn it on and make sure that your console's mic is turned on as well. Then you can just go ahead and hop into a game, then start talking. All right, now for PC users right here, as you can see, we have the input device. Just go ahead and select your preferred input device right here. Then go ahead and select the voice chat mode right here, push to talk or open mic. Push to talk right here, you'll be required to push one button on your keyboard or your mouse, all right, to be able to talk. If you choose open mic right here, well, whatever you do, your mic will be open, all right? It's pretty self-explanatory. And if you don't want to disturb others, just go ahead and use push to talk, all right? Now, if you want to change the default key for the push to talk, just go ahead and go to keyboard, then communications. Right here, scroll all the way down, okay, until you find voice chat. As you can see here, tilde is the default one. When you tap and hold tilde, for example, you're gonna want to hold tilde and talk to your mic, all right, so that your friends will be able to hear you. You have your voice chat menu right here as well, which is by using P. Now, say for example, I wanted to change the push to talk right here, maybe the mouse button 5 right here, which will be F5. It says here binding successful. The voice chat menu would be the mouse button number 4. All right, I know it's pretty mixed up. I just changed the settings in my mouse itself and the software. Now, let's go ahead and go back to the game. Right here, when you press P or the voice chat menu right here, you'll be able to see your team and the enemy team as well. As you can see here, we'll be able to mute our voice chat right here and unmute it. Now going back, let's just go ahead and tap and hold the tilde and just start talking. Okay, that's basically how you do it. Again, if you have your mic set up to open mic, well, just go ahead and talk. You don't have to press any button, just go ahead and talk. It's basically how you do it. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.